What if your trading activity could unlock rewards with football predictions, exclusive prizes, and even a share of a massive reward pool? That's exactly what PU Prime is offering through its PU World Cup 2026 campaign. In this video, we'll take a look at the promotion itself, how it works, and also review PU Prime as a broker to see whether it's worth considering in 2026. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial investment or trading advice. Let's get started. PU Prime is a global multi-asset broker that offers access to forex, commodities, metals, indices, shares, ETFs, and bonds through CFD trading. The broker supports popular platforms including MetaTrader 4, 5, WebTrader, and its own mobile trading application. One of the features that attracts many traders is PU Prime's copy trading ecosystem. This allows users to follow experienced traders directly through the platform. Guys, if you're looking to grow your social media, you should definitely be using SMM Go, the sponsor of this video. These guys provide real views, real services, and they have a fantastic support system as well. And to be honest, guys, every YouTuber that gets big starts out using an SMM service, and this is how you can turn your social media into an absolute rocket ship. So don't just take my word for it. Head to smmgo.io today and change your socials for the better with real likes, real views, and real growth across the board. Check it out in the description, and let's get back to the video. The broker also offers educational content, market analysis, webinars, and various trading tools for both beginners and experienced traders. Independent reviews in 2026 generally highlight PU Prime's wide range of instruments, flexible account options, and copy trading functionality, as well as support for MT4 and MT5 platforms. Now, why is PU Prime gaining attention? Well, it's pretty straightforward. These guys focus on accessibility. The broker offers multiple account types, supports beginner-friendly copy trading, and provides access to hundreds of financial instruments from a single account. Some reviews also note that it's competitive when it comes to spreads and multi-platform trading experiences. Community discussions about PU Prime's copy trading features often mention the platform's flexibility and transparency, although, as with any trading activity, proper risk management remains essential. Now let's talk about the main attraction. To celebrate the world's biggest football tournament, PU Prime has launched the PU World Cup 2026 campaign. The campaign combines trading activities with football-themed challenges, allowing participants to collect coins, make predictions, unlock rewards, and compete for premium prizes. The initiative is also connected to PU Prime's sponsorship relationship with the Argentine Football Association, creating a strong football theme throughout the promotion. Now, the first feature I want to highlight here of this promotion is the daily missions. Participants can earn coins through activities such as daily check-ins, deposits, trading, and copy trading participation. The more active you are during the campaign period, the more coins you can accumulate. These coins become the foundation for accessing additional rewards through the promotion. The second feature here is the Golden Kick. This is one of the most entertaining features of the promotion. Each participant receives opportunities to take virtual shots and unlock rewards. Possible rewards include bonus coins, trading coupons, promotional benefits, and exclusive campaign rewards. The football theme makes this feature feel more like a game while still being connected to your trading activity. Now, alongside that, there's the Match Day Predictor. Football fans will probably enjoy this feature the most, as the Matchday Predictor allows participants to forecast match outcomes throughout the tournament. Correct predictions reward participants with additional coins. If your prediction is even more accurate, your rewards will increase further. This could be something like guessing the exact score of a match. This adds another layer of engagement beyond the trading itself. Now, if you do like predictions, it gets better from here, because if you think you know who will dominate the World Cup, well, this is going to be for you. The Top Trio Predictor allows participants to forecast the tournament champion, runner-up, and third-place team. Long-term predictions can generate additional rewards and encourage participants to stay engaged throughout the entire tournament. Now, there's also the Rewards Hub and Coin Pool. As you collect coins, they can be used within the Rewards Hub. This campaign also includes a coin pool with up to $50,000, providing an additional incentive for active participants who meet the campaign requirements. This means participants will have multiple ways to benefit from the promotion instead of relying on a single reward mechanism. Now, finally, we have the Lucky Draw. So this is basically where participants can compete for premium prizes such as the iPhone 17 17 Pro Max, MacBook Air, and cash rewards, as well as exclusive merchandise. These prizes can add another layer of excitement throughout the campaign. Overall, PU Prime offers a well-rounded trading environment with access to multiple asset classes. They also have NT4 and 5 support, copy trading functionality, and educational resources, as well as a huge growing global presence. Meanwhile, the PU World Cup 2026 campaign stands out because it combines trading, football predictions, gamification, and rewards into a single experience. Instead of offering a simple deposit bonus, PU Prime has created a promotion that encourages participation throughout the entire World Cup season. For traders who enjoy football and interactive campaigns, this promotion could be one of the more interesting broker promotions available in 2026. If you'd like to learn more about the PU World Cup 2026 campaign, check out the official page, PU Prime World Cup 2026, with the link below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.